Hey guys, what's up? So Toby's trying to get a screen recorder with assistive touch and with a Facecam on any iOS device. So I can't believe I actually kind of missed this, but I found this out in like an early video, and I kind of just like thought in my head for a second. I was like, oh my god, this is so obvious. So basically, you guys wouldn't need to be jailbroken for this. This works on basically any iPhone. So it's the only method you will find without using the computer. Trust me. So basically, what you want to do is actually go to search, and this is from the Big Boss Repo. It's called AntRec. And basically with Anorak, it automatically works on like certain devices, like iPhone 5S, iPhone SE, and like below iPhone 5S. That's all it really works on. iPhone 6, you have to turn on Zoom, inverted Zoom, which I have a video on. I have a video on a couple of videos on Anorak. So basically, how you guys want to get this to work on any device is you guys want to install it. So you guys want to install it, and then once you guys install it, like I said, on Big Boss Repo, which automatically added to Cydia, so you automatically have the repo, so you search it up, AntRec, and once you install it, your device will be Spring, and you guys will have it right here, AntRec. And what I use a screen recorder that I really like because like you don't have to like when I export the QCut Pro, you have to do the audio and the video, but this screen recorder it usually just works most of the time with just the video with the audio, so you have to import both of them. So I really like that a lot. So I'm gonna go to the screen recorder right here. It's called Record It right there. It's from the App Store. You could get premium, but you don't have to. So I might be able to record for a longer time if you get premium. So basically, you guys want to configure that. So open up, configure it, and then when you guys pull up your control center and you hold on the record button. If you guys want to get this, you guys go to settings and like control center and just tap on the plus for recorded. And then you guys can see that recorded capture is right there. So you want to make sure your audio is on. Obviously, if you don't want it on, you just tap it again. It'll have off or on. I usually record with it on because I talk. And then you could basically have that like that. And then when you go to AntRec, AntRec will crash if you just record it in portrait mode because it's basically something wrong with its resolution. So basically, if you record it just like this, it will crash with certain devices, with most devices actually. If an iPhone SE, iPhone like 6 with zoom inverted, or iPhone 4S or below, and with some iPads, it will not crash. But with any like newer devices, it will crash. I don't know why. Also, like I would put on zoom inverted or whatever it's called, but like we don't have that feature in the newer iPhones. So we have like zoom, which is like it just zooms part of the screen or the whole screen like weirdly. So, but it doesn't work. So basically, what we want to do is actually just turn over just like that. This is what I have in my other video, and then tap on recorded, and then that will work. So you see, there's my recording right there. I can now push it back, and once you do that one time, every time you spring your device, you have to do that. Okay, so now I can end it, and now I can record just like this because I already turned over and recorded it. So you see, it's the time is going. My face cam's there. I have assistive touch, and you can edit this by the settings. So on the top left, you tap on that, and you could tap on like assistive touch off or Facecam off. So it's a really cool screen recorder, and it's always in HD. I love the screen recorder; it's amazing. So now you see I have my Facecam, right? But the screen recorder resolution is not right. So you want to do is actually pull up Control Center, and then go to the record, hold on to it, make sure that's selected, or you can actually use your default screen recorder. But I prefer this one right here. You record a capture, tap on Start Broadcast, and now you see that it's counting down. And now we can see that we are recording, and we do have a Facecam. So sorry for these notifications. But yeah, we do have a Facecam right here, and we're recording right now. So you can do whatever you want, and then when we're done recording, we could just pull up for Control Center and pull down, and then you could just tap on End Recorded. And now you could go your recording saved in here, or if you did it from the camera roll, it would we have to go. Sorry guys, we have to go back to AntRec, and we have to end the recording there. And like I said, since the resolution is messed up, you see right here the resolution is messed up. We don't need this at all. We could just delete them. Okay, so now when we go back to our app right here, now we have our video right here. So now what we can do is just tap on share in the bottom, and then tap on camera roll, and there you go. It's saved to our camera roll. And this is the video. It's our camera roll. Tap on play. And now we can see that we are recording, and we do have a Facecam. So sorry for these notifications. But yeah, we do have a Facecam right here, and we're recording right now. So you can do whatever you want. So there you guys go. That is how you guys can record with Assistive Touch and a Facecam. There are a lot of tweaks with Assistive Touch that you could install for a better Assistive Touch. So for example, I'm just going to show you two of them. These do work on latest iOS versions. So Show Touch and Touch Pose. Them two, they do both work on like later and newer iPhones and iOS devices, like iOS 12. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.